guys, back to my channel. Today we are going to do a science experiment which is known as lemon volcano. As you can see here, bubbles and the level is coming up. So let's make it. For this activity we will be needing lemon, as the name suggests that the lemon volcano, so lemon is very important. 2 watercolors of any color, 1 spoon, 2 to 3 toothpicks, baking soda and a dishwasher. So let's start with our activity. In the first step you will be needing toothpicks and lemon. You need to poke some holes with the help of toothpick like this. After that, you need to take colors and you need to put the color on the lemon. We will put color, like I have put some red, and in this one also. Now we will put blue color also in it. You can choose any color, different colors. Now you need to take a dishwasher and put in like this, and we will do it with this also. Now it's time that the volcano will up. We will take some baking soda and put on it. Can you see the level coming up? Here our volcano is ready, but it's not fully ready till now. We need to again poke some holes in it. See, after poking holes, the bubbles are coming. Here our lemon volcano is ready. I hope you like the video. See this. Isn't it amazing? Let's do with this also. With this also, it's important after putting baking soda, you need to poke holes again so that the bubbles start coming and the level comes up. See this. So here we did, our lemon volcano is ready. I hope you like the video. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.